everybody. It's time to say goodbye to 2019 and hello to 2020. So I thought I would work in this little napkin journal because I have just the napkin for this project. So come on along, let's have a little fun before the end of the. Okay, let's get started. I have this little journal that I use primarily for napkin art, just to try to keep everything together in one little journal. So I have a great napkin that I'm planning on using in this, and the rest is up in the air. I don't know. We'll just make it up as we go along. So just starting with some gesso, and we'll just get a coating of gesso down on these pages. So these pieces that I have torn are torn off of the napkin that I'm going to use. So I thought it would be a good start to just get the same color and pattern down in the background. So I'm just putting pieces down with matte medium. Now I have some Target acrylic paint in the color avocado, which goes really good with the napkin color. So I'm just going to spread some across both of the pages just in kind of a random swath of color. And just to make some marks in the background, I'm just using the charcoal pencil and holding it way back on the end and just making some random marks, not really even thinking about it, just going for it across both of the pages. And then I just picked up some matte medium on my brush and I'm just kind of smearing those black marks into the background. Now I'm going to use some fluid acrylic in carbon black and just get, again, just some random kind of abstract marks of black here and there across the pages. It ends up being just a little too much, but we'll fix it in the long run. When I took the napkin plies apart, the second ply had kind of a ghost image of the top napkin pattern, and I thought I would put it down on the page opposite of where I planned to put the napkin, but it really sunk into the background a lot, and in the end you don't end up really seeing it at all, except for maybe just a couple of little marks, but you can't really even tell that it's there. So I just thought I'd let you know I put it down, but it doesn't really matter that it's there. So I thought it would be kind of fun to stamp 2020 on the page. So I have these cool bow bunny stamps. They're numbers, but they have like a floral pattern inside of them. So I just put 2020 on that left-hand page. So here comes that great napkin. She's just spectacular. I really like her. So she's holding a drink and it says, "Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the drinks inside are delightful." So it's just the top layer of the napkin, and I'm going to put it down with some matte medium. Yep, I really like her. Oh, and this napkin came from my friend Karyn Bradley in some Happy Mail. She periodically will just randomly send me packages of napkins, so I really appreciate that, and they're always fun ones. Now I'm just taking some gesso on my finger and just kind of getting some light back onto the page, going over some of that black that it seemed a little too harsh and a little too much to me. So I'm just playing with a little bit of gesso and putting some white on the page. Now I'm bringing in this stencil. It's a Crafter's Workshop stencil called Mini Mod Spirals. I use this one a lot. I just am drawn to it, I guess, and it fits a lot of the work that I do. So thought I would add some up there on that left-hand top corner. I'm just going to use white. I wasn't super happy with that upper left corner, so I just pulled off some smaller pieces of the pattern part of the napkin, the striped part, and I'm just putting those up there with matte medium just to kind of break that up a little bit and add some more of the green. It was just kind of bothering me, so I think this helped. So I like the way that looks, so I decided to just add some more of that striped part of the napkin in random places on both pages. So that's what I'm doing here, just using matte medium to get it put down, and I like the result a lot better. This is such a whimsical little napkin that I thought the whole page really needed more whimsy, so I added some. So now I'm just dipping my fingers back into my gesso and just kind of pushing those striped pieces back a little bit so that they blend better into the background and don't look so much like little pieces stuck to the pages. It makes a big difference to just do that, just that little bit. It really helps. Now I have my Dilutions journaling block, and I'm going to just start doodling, and I'm going to doodle around all four edges of this 2-page spread, and then add some more and add some more and add some more. So I'm just going to speed all the doodling up. Enjoy! that upper left corner needed something, so I just thought a ticket. That could kind of be indicative of going somewhere on New Year's Eve, going to a party, or going out somewhere. Anyways, I pulled out the ticket and I'm adding a little bit of green ink to it so that it matches up with the page better. And then I just have a couple little snippets there, a little heart and like a little triangle. Also, I think came in Happy Mail from Karyn Bradley. But the colors were perfect, so I'm just adding those little elements to that upper left-hand corner just to kind of finish off that page so that it looks more complete. I felt like it needed a snarky saying from this Tim Holtz pad, so I found the first one on the very first page says, "Why limit happy to just 1 hour?" I thought that was just perfect. So I added that right under the girl. And then I just took a Pitt pen and went around the snarky comment. And then I think I went around the ticket too, just a little bit, just to add some contrast. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. This was fun for me. Oh, then at the very end I decided it needed some white spatters because she said it's cold outside. So we just add a little snow. Hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you'll subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and maybe share it with a friend. Happy New Year, everyone. See you in 2020. Go make some art. Bye.